Things are heating up with the Ripple SEC lawsuit, and XRP's price has been held back because of this. With a hopeful positive conclusion of this lawsuit happening fairly soon, XRP's price will hit new all-time highs. In today's video, I'm going to go through the key levels to watch for XRP, go through my strategy and also my price predictions for XRP. So stick around for that. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Busy. My name is Tom. Now, the question of the day is, how high do you see XRP going throughout this whole bull cycle? Do you see it going to its all-time high, $5, $10, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments below. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Now, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to Crypto Busy today. We're about to reach 200,000 subscribers, so we're on the road to 200K. You guys have given us so much, and we can't repay that debt. So we want to give back to you guys, and more details to follow on that one very soon. So stick around for that one there as well. And also make sure to leave a like. It's very much appreciated. So the market, XRP, a lot of things are heating up at the moment, especially also how Bitcoin's price is compared with the altcoins. We're seeing a Bitcoin dominance of 43.4%, and that is falling quite surprisingly. And that's really good for the altcoins because a lot of capital is flowing into the market, and that means also all of the altcoins will see the benefits of that. So right now, there's a bit of a correction. We did see Bitcoin close above $50,000. That's great to see, but we are seeing a bit of a rejection of that. And I do think we'll be seeing and discovering some support for Bitcoin's price in sort of the mid 40s. If we see a rejection of that, then again, the early 40s for that one there. But I doubt we see anything below that. And once we've figured out that floor for 50K and it's, that major support for 50K, we're off to the races, and it's going to be absolutely insane for Bitcoin's price and also for the altcoins as well, because Bitcoin will drag up the altcoins, and this will be significant for XRP's price as well. So as you can see right now with XRP's price, it's currently trading at $1.18. We're currently pretty much dictated by what Bitcoin's price does. And so when everybody asks me, hey, look into this altcoin, what do you think of it? I always say, look into Bitcoin's price first, because that does dictate where the rest of the market goes. So with that being said, also be sure to follow us on Twitter at CryptoBusy and join our Telegram group chat. It's very important that you join these two places and follow, because it's a great and fun, engaging community to be a part of. So I'll leave that link down in the description below. So let's go into XRP, also my strategy for XRP, some price predictions, the latest updates, and much more. So for those of you who don't know, XRP is currently in this lawsuit. So Ripple created XRP, and the SEC have sued Ripple for calling it, or XRP, a security. And in my opinion, I don't think XRP is a security. I think it is not a security, because it is a currency. It's a new form of currency. It's a new asset. And so we need to have some sensible regulation if we are going to have regulation. And this is the important thing. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and many others, these are cryptocurrencies. And a currency is not a security. So therefore, in my opinion, XRP is not a security. And so we've had this back and forth for quite some time. There's also been some conflicting of interest, lots of other stuff, and it's looking more and more in Ripple's favor every single day, because this looked rushed. I think the SEC's decision to sue Ripple Labs looked rushed, and they're seeing the effects of that right now. And the fact that XRP has not been severely hindered, it's not trading at 20 cents or anything like that, is actually, despite the SEC lawsuit, doing relatively well. It nearly hit $2 early this year. So despite all of that stuff, it is still doing really well. And so that's important. Another thing to be aware of when it comes to XRP, when it comes to Ripple, is look at where the Ripple executives are dining with. Look at who they're having meetings with, and who they're, well, that's the important thing. When it looks like Ethereum or Bitcoin's doing well, have a look at what XRP is doing and where they're talking with. This is Christine Lagarde that you can see right here. You also have the chief executive, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, another monetary authority head as well, and the director of monetary markets for the IMF. And this is Brad Garlinghouse, XRP. He's the CEO of Ripple. This must tell you something at the end of the day, that XRP, Ripple Labs, they're doing something right at least, that they're talking with the people that they want XRP to be implemented. And these are the people that have the money at the end of the day. This is not talking millions of dollars, we're talking trillions of dollars. Huge amounts of assets here. And so if they open up the floodgates and XRP is declared not a security, this will be massive for XRP's price. And I don't think we'll be seeing the end of this just as of yet. And so When it comes to its price, right now, $1.20. There's a little bit of resistance to get to $1.40, but again, we are dictated by what happens with Bitcoin's price. So I'm now going to go through some Bitcoin and also some XRP technical analysis, so stick around for that. I'll be going through the key levels to watch out for XRP and also going through my strategy with XRP, what I will be doing. When am I selling? When am I buying? This is really important. So let's go through Bitcoin's price first. It currently went above $50,000. This is great to see. We didn't really see that close above $50,000, but it did go above it, which is really important. So we need to find that support. That's the first thing. It is currently in some way correcting just a little bit. If we go down to the 4-hour time frame, there will be a bit of correction, maybe even testing. It's already went through the 20 EMA. So if it broke that and it also closes below 20 EMA, we could be seeing a retest of the 100 EMA, which would be around sort of $46,000. And that could be on the cards to find some support there because there's very little resistance between 46 and 50K. If we see a support of 46, then it'll be another retest of 50K. If we see a rejection of 46, then it'll be 42 and then 40. And I don't really see Bitcoin in this current short-term time right now going below $40,000. The road from 40 to 50 was quite something. The road from 50 to 60 will actually be quite stress-free compared to the 40 to 50. And so that's something to really bear in mind there as well. So do expect corrections along the way. But I think by mid-September, we'll be seeing new price discovery for Bitcoin. This will drag up the rest of the altcoins. And in my opinion, I think with this SEC lawsuit, we could be seeing some form of conclusion by the end of this month and going into mid of next month as well. Because of this particular article here, which I'll leave down in the description below, there is going to be the discovery, and that will be ended on the 31st of August. So this will mean that both sides have the chance to discover and have a look at anything they need to look at to make their case. And they look on both sides, they look at the other side, and they say the SEC have a look at Ripple Labs. They see, well, do we see anything that is any damning information? And also with vice versa. So Ripple looking to SEC, is there any damning information that would say that they've lost the case? And so it is looking more and more likely that Ripple will win this because of the bombshells, which I've gone through in previous videos, talking about how the former SEC chief, Jay Clayton, he has some form of conflict of interest and many other things as well. I'll leave these articles linked down in the description below. So this is really important. And also, what's next for them. I think by the end of this month, we will see some form of conclusion, and going into next month, seeing that overall final conclusion from the judge, which will be very important for XRP's price. And I do think we'll be seeing new all-time highs. So correction with Bitcoin, I think that'll be important. So we could be seeing a dip below $1.10. If we do see a dip below $1, I will be picking up some more XRP. Right now, I've finished buying my XRP for the time being. If we see crazy dips, if we see crazy, bear market prices of XRP going below 50 cents, then of course I'm going to be there. But right now, I'm no longer buying XRP for the time being. Right now I'll be selling XRP and not 100% selling XRP along the way, small little increments along the way. So dollar cost averaging out of my position, every time we hit a new key level. So once we hit $1.40, I'll be selling, 5 to 10% of my XRP. And then certainly when we get to $2 and even higher than that, another 10%, another 15% here and there, new all-time highs, another 10%, another 15%. And then pretty much by the time we get to new all-time highs for XRP going to $5 to $10, I'll be selling most of my position because I've been in XRP since 2017. So, I've got to the point now where I want to, I've created the profit I want to create, and I'll always hold XRP. It's something I've always wanted to hold because it is something quite interesting and I hold quite dearly to myself. So I'll never fully 100% be out of XRP, but to sell my position along the way and use that profits to either buy back in at lower prices or get into other things, such as putting a deposit down for a property or maybe other things as well that you want to do with your capital. And that's down to a personal position and also your opinion at the end of the day of what you want to do. So the key levels to look out for is certainly the $1.10, the $1 if we do see a correction below that. The key areas of resistance will be $1.40, $1.75, and $2. That's going to be a very important zone for XRPs to go through. If we see a conclusion of this SEC lawsuit by mid-September, we will be going past $2 in my opinion. If we don't see that conclusion and we see it by the end of this year, then I do think it will allow XRP's price to again have that further catapult price analysis and also a potential to go to $5 and even $10 from there. We've seen other articles saying that it could go even higher than that. So this article is saying that the 2,300% rally could be on the cards and XRP going to $30. Is that possible in this bull cycle? That's only possible if Bitcoin is a blow off top, and we could see Bitcoin go to $220,000, $250,000. We're also dictated by what Bitcoin does in this whole bull cycle there. So let's conclude what's gone through in today's video. We are in very important times with the SEC and Ripple lawsuits. This is also very important for Bitcoin's price as well. And this is right now tying in quite perfectly. This could be the perfect event of Bitcoin going to new all-time highs, plus a conclusion of this SEC lawsuit. And if we see that happen pretty much within a week's space or 2 weeks space, I think this will be a major catapult for XRP's price. And it could go to new all-time highs, in my opinion. So $3.50, let's just call an all-time high of $3.50. I think $5 is certainly possible. Even $10 in this year is certainly possible, in my opinion, because of this fact. And this is the reason being. If you look at the market right now, Bitcoin has hit new all-time highs throughout this whole bull cycle. So has Ethereum. So has Cardano, nearly hitting $3 the other day. Dogecoin as well, that's another one. Polkadot, Solana, Uniswap, Terra, all of these cryptocurrencies that we love talking about on CryptoBusy, they have hit new all-time highs in this lawsuit. Throughout this lawsuit and throughout this whole bull cycle. But XRP has not, and that's really important for where things will be going for XRP's price. So we haven't seen that new all-time high for XRP. And when you combine Brad Garlinghouse talking with these people at high levels, and you combine also the SEC lawsuit and what's happening with this whole bull cycle, the double top bull cycle, many people saying it could look a bit like 2013. I think it'd be a little bit different, but still, if you combine all of those things together, there is huge potential for XRP, in my opinion. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know if I've missed out anything in today's video. I'll be very interested to hear what you guys have to say. Whether you agree with me, whether you disagree with me, all comments are welcome. And again, I'm not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice at all. This is just my opinion, my research. I'll leave all the links I've gone through in today's video, links down in the description below, so you can check out yourselves in much further detail. We are on the road to 200K, and we will be doing a giveaway when we get there. So also stick around for that one there as well. So make sure that you're subscribed and leave a like on this video. It's very much appreciated. And so that's it for me in today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.